Transferring BPI to an international bank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, go to your local BPI branch in person. Then ensure that you have all the necessary information and documentation with you, and complete the wire transfer form. Request a wire transfer form from the bank and fill out the required details. You will need to provide information such as the recipient's name, address, account number, and the SWIFT or BIC code of the recipient's bank. Then present a valid ID to verify your identity and confirm that you are authorized to make the wire transfer. Specify currency and amount. Indicate the currency in which you want to send the funds and specify the exact amount you want to wire transfer. You may be required to state the purpose of the wire transfer, such as whether it's for personal reasons, business transactions, etc. Now pay the applicable fees for the wire transfer. The fees can vary depending on the amount and destination. Double-check information. Before submitting the form, double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. And any mistakes could lead to delays or issues with the transfer. Now receive confirmation. After processing your request, the bank will provide you with a transaction receipt or confirmation. Keep these documents for your records. Wait for the transfer to complete. International wire transfers may take some time to process. Now, the time it takes depends on various factors, including the destination country, currency, and the recipient bank.